Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. On this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday, this week, I'm a wizard Harry. Well, actually, I'm a Harry wizard. 3DS, Printius.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This Xander's Thing Thursday is a 2-for-1, and both models are related. This is Hermione's one by mfritz, and it was sliced to print in this orientation. This is Sirius Black Swan by ShepardIRL, and it was sliced to print like this. So you would take the base, and then you would put a pin into the hole, and then you would take the second piece, fat end to the bottom, and then you would line it up to where the details match. And then you would put a pin to the top of this one, and then you would line up the details again. Where is it? Okay, right here. Then, presto, finisho. Sirius Black Swan was a little bit harder to assemble. There's a groove down the middle. Here, let me show you. We're going to put a piece of wire down that groove so it's easier to glue and line up. While the glue is setting in on these prints, I want to tell you that both of these were printed in inland PLA on the AMA. Both were printed with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. Both of these prints printed flawlessly, thanks to Uncle Walt at Country 3D for sending us a main board. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Return us next weekus. Hey everyone, so why doesn't Voldemort wear glasses? Nobody knows.